Hey, welcome back to the shop. I'm doing a quick review in this Dewalt 9-gallon 5.0 HP quiet vacuum Stealthsonic DXV09P-QTA. But yeah, no, I'm not doing this on the computer though. I haven't posted anything because I've been redesigning my shop. I will do a tour in a few days about that, but I wanted to talk about this Stealthsonic Dewalt vacuum that is not available in Canada. However, I'm in Canada and I bought one. And you will think, well, what's so cool about it? I'll show you. I'm sure you're familiar with this rigid things. So both of these vacuums are peak HP. This is a 4-gallon, that's a 9-gallon. And it comes, I'm not gonna open it up. It comes with 4 or 5 bags and a filter. The wheels, this doohickey thing, just in case you're one of those, you know, that packs the whole house when it goes on vacation or something like that, for your accessories that you will probably never use. It comes with this nice king-free yellow hose that happens to be exactly the same as rigid. On that end, the hose is trying to run away at me. The hose is slightly thicker, so this end is a little bigger. I think this might be 1.75. But the main thing is, I'm not gonna screw around with the volume on this video, so be warned, I'm gonna turn on both of them, but I'm not gonna tweak anything. So, and I'm gonna continue talking over it, see if you can hear me. So this is a rigid. That's the Dewalt. And I don't know how they done that, but the thing is amazing. And just in case you're thinking, well, does it have power? It does. So, anyways, let's turn that off. I saw this come out, I don't know, a year and a half or 2 ago, and somehow they're not available in Canada. I tried to buy one for a long time, and eventually I did a search, and I found Lacret Home Hardware, which is based in Edmonton, in Canada, has it and will ship it. It is $269. In the US, this vacuum sells for like, I think about $150, $160 US at Home Depot, so you're paying a bit more. But to me, being that quiet makes a world of a difference. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do any other, I'm gonna use this as a dust collector, that's why I have that there. But if you have any questions about it, leave me a comment and I will try to answer that, but I'm not gonna get into this, you know, competing between the two of them, which one sucks more water, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's a shop vac. They all do very well. So anyways, thank you for hanging out, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. I'll do a shop tour in a few days. See you then. Bye.